The visit underscores GAF's commitment to achieving food self-sufficiency and reducing reliance on rice imports for its personnel. The vision of feeding its own ranks with homegrown rice is on the verge of becoming a reality, with the first harvest anticipated in the coming months. This strategic move is designed to significantly alleviate the financial burden associated with importing rice to feed the nation's soldiers. During his visit, Chief of Defense Staff of the Gambia Armed Forces, Lieutenant General Mamat O Cham, accompanied by his delegation, toured the farm, meticulously observing the level of work undertaken and the healthy status of the cultivated rice. Speaking to the press following the tour, Lieutenant General Cham expressed his optimism about the project's impact.
The vision is for the armed forces to venture into cultivation of rice and to partake in the rice value chain. The reason was simple. Most of the main component of our food is rice, which is imported. So command came to the conclusion that if we can invest in machinery and what we call the inputs, and then cultivate our own rice, we will be able to, now buy it from our farms, and then instead of sending the money outside, we will now use what is safe to be able to pay for our accommodations and procure other equipment. So it's some sort of an economic strategy to improve the welfare and the material and the equipment that the army has.
CDS Cham further emphasized that the agricultural endeavor extends beyond mere budgetary benefits, lamenting that the project will not only help them manage their budget, but equally provide opportunities for their personnel to gain valuable experience in farming, skills that can be beneficial to them after their retirement from service.
We'll not only induct some of the soldiers who has the love, the passion for agriculture, but we will also provide training for them. And beyond here, the fields, the rest of the value chain, going all the way from the processing to the bagging to the marketing, okay, even to the distribution. These are all stages in the supply chain. We will, inshallah, train our men and women so that as we expand, the whole system will roll out from Sapour rice field to the dining tables of the Gambians. And that is the vision. So we are calling the people of this country and other friends of the country to support us.
The Army Chief also extended his gratitude to the government of the Gambia and various private entities for their unwavering support in realizing this crucial initiative. He specifically acknowledged the President of the Republic's generous donation of tractors, recognizing its pivotal role in the project's progress.
I want to announce that the Armed Forces had acquired tractors, which was donated by the President and Commander-in-Chief, and those tractors will very soon be here. So if anybody is to support the armed forces now, probably he can support us after the harvest, the other aspects of the value chain. The production is coming up. I'm sure Mr. Jackie here and Maru Farm had been very instrumental to see us through this phase of it, the beginning. But rice cultivation involves a lot of inputs, not only the seedlings, not only the seeds and the fertilizers and all the other logistics needed for the cultivation, but also after harvesting, the processing equipment. So we want Gambians, especially those who really want to see the armed forces, to move forward, to come up. We even want experts, those with ideas to come and support us.
This foray into agriculture marks a significant step towards greater autonomy for the Gambia Armed Forces, demonstrating a proactive approach to resource management and the well-being of its personnel. The anticipated first harvest will not only provide sustenance but also cultivate valuable skills within the military ranks, ensuring a more sustainable future. For Star TV, I am Moto El Baji.